barbecue, yeah?
But with
Yeah,
burgers.
I'm gonna think about that. This thing is sick, but it's 2,000 brake horsepower.
Smells great in here, huh?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Yeah.
Looks like fun tonight.
Always is.
I never thought we'd all make it to Neptune's Net together.
Cheers to that, Jack. The prawns are amazing.
You know, this view is just breathtaking.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Best night ever.
Wow, what an amazing meal, guys. Oh, that's my beer, yeah?
Yeah, that's your beer. Cheers. Cheers.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Morning.
I left the Bugatti at a steady 35 degrees overnight after we rinsed it before the full wash. Guys, I think we just have to open the engine.
Fine. Let's just do that.
Yeah. Monitoring the separation. Slow and steady. Clear. Perfect alignment.
All right, here it is. Impressive. Ready for the run? Nearly. Just admiring the setup. It's perfect.
Guys, I have a surprise for you. Great job. Come with me.
Amazing. That's so good. I'm hungry already.
That smells incredible.
This is so good. Perfect. Yeah.
I'm definitely getting another piece.
Yeah.
Best idea ever.